Okay, so I have hand warmer today, 5200 mAh, supposed to warm your hand in winter. I got this from Amazon, so let's see what's inside. Sorry, I'm using one hand to hold my phone to take a video and one hand to open this warmer. It doesn't usually come off. There you go. Oh, they have a card that says "My love." Actually, let's take around. On the outer box it says, what does it say? Stable temperature, small and handy, portable and rechargeable, and warm your heart. Looks like you can get this on 3 colors: blue, pink and black. Working time 4 to 8 hours, charging time 2 to 3 hours. So what is this? Looks like a type C charger, type C plug, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, it doesn't even focus on it. Let's see if I can focus it. So it's type C plug. Let's try to turn it on, see if it came charged already. I can see the red light on. What came inside? Again, USB cable with type C port. Not sure why it's not autofocusing. Hopefully it will autofocus now. User manual. Looks like it came with carrying pouch. So I guess you can just put the warmer in this and carry it around with you. It is warming up a little bit. Looks like I need to charge it. The light is red, and I'm assuming red means recharge it soon. Charging port. This is all it came with. This is all it's in the box. It does warm up. Let's see if we can. Oh, actually looks like this is the settings: low and high settings, I guess. Probably one light is low setting, two light is higher and highest. Yep, it's warming up. Here is the instructions if you want to look at it. Alright, you can get this at Amazon. It's hot now. I think this is at highest setting. You can click the button again to go back to low setting. Yeah, it is less warmer now, so quick. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I'm sorry the video quality is not great. I'm using one hand to actually hold the phone to take this video and using one hand to open everything up. Thank you again. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.